Hello, I'm Tracy May Harriott, International Educator for Elizabeth Arden Pro. Thank you for tuning in to my instruction video. Today we're going to cover the luxury skin health treatment, and I look forward to taking you through the step-by-step.
The most important step in any Elizabeth Arden Pro treatment is the client consultation. Ensure you have completed your skin analysis and consent form and have obtained your client's signature for the treatment. This is a facial treatment with the wow factor. It's a facial indulgence that provides wonderful visible results. The skin appears more clear with enhanced elasticity, texture, tone and clarity. It's age-defying and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while brightening the complexion. Your client can relax and lose themselves in a wealth of massage and wake up looking radiant and refreshed with a youthful looking skin. Please ensure you have all the items you need provided in the supplies list so that you do not need to leave your client during the treatment. I have sterilised my hands and I'm ready for the treatment to start. So first of all, we perform our opening experience. To ensure your client is relaxed and that the body is fully aligned, you may want to use a bolster cushion under the knees for comfort. Place a relaxing eye pillow onto the client's eyes using confident contact with large circular movements over the pillow. This will be in place while performing our opening experience. Also, prior to the hand treatment, make sure you have in place a hand towel and a plastic liner under the client's hands, ready for the wrapped hand treatment. First, cleanse your client's hands and lower arms with cleanser. Always treat the hands in tandem so that you can perform a uniform and relaxed experience for your client. Remove the cleanser with warm mitts from your towel warmer, again at the same time. Use the towel just to block dry the hands with a comfortable press. Apply a generous layer of revitalising body lotion to the hand and forearm and massage onto the hands and arms at the same time in tandem. Then wrap the hands and the arms in your plastic liner. Place both hands in either warm mitts or wrap them in the towel and rest the client's hands. Move back to the top of the treatment bed, sterilise your hands, and now you're ready for the facial treatment. Remove the relaxing eye pillow by applying confident contact so not to surprise your client if they are relaxing. Mix 2 to 3 pumps of your chosen Elizabeth Arden Pro facial cleanser with a small amount of water in hands. Please note that I'm doing this away from my client to ensure no water gets on her. You only need water on your fingertips, not too much. Gently and thoroughly cleanse the face, neck and décolleté, ensuring you have covered all small areas such as the top of the lip and down the central part of the nose. Remove the cleanser carefully with pre-dampened large cotton pads and blot dry the skin with a large facial tissue. At this stage, we colour match our client for perfecting minerals. This is our finishing product that is a colour skincare mineral. So this is the ideal time to check the shade just on the cheek area by the jaw, so the end of the treatment is a perfect colour match. Now I'm going to repeat the cleanse, but this time I'll leave the cleanser on the face and the neck for approximately 3 minutes. All of the Elizabeth Arden Pro cleansers contain AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids and will mildly exfoliate the skin while I carry out the Elizabeth Arden Pro welcome massage, which is a balancing body experience to induce deeper relaxation. I will cover the eyes to ensure the client further relaxes. The opening massage should take just a few minutes. First, start by asking your client to take 3 deep, slow breaths through the nose while you apply firm pressure on the shoulders and push down on their out-breath. Make sure the client expands their abdomen on their in-breath and relaxes their abdomen on their out-breath. Glide gently up the side of the neck with both hands to the occipital area and hold this stretch for approximately 3 seconds. Move up to the ears and perform a gentle but firm massage around the outside of the ears using small kneading movements with the thumbs and the index finger and glide down to the shoulders. Now walk around your client, maintaining contact and facing your client. Knead down the arms and both legs over the top of the blankets, using the full palm in slow, deep movements, just like a gentle squeeze of the legs, walking your way to the bottom of the bed in tandem, ending at the feet. Gently support the back of the ankles, take a step backwards so you do not lift your client's legs up, and pull the legs towards you. Do not lift your client's legs, just stretch, and perform this 3 times. Continue walking around the bed and knead your way back to the top of the treatment bed. Complete the opening massage by asking your client to take 3 deep breaths again. Now sterilise your hands and place the confident contact onto the eye pillow before removing the pillow away from the eyes. Remove the Elizabeth Arden Pro Cleanser with large pre-dampened pads and blot the skin with a large tissue. Now cover the client's eyes with cotton pads and cut into half moons, so not to cover the upper cheek area, and carry out a full skin analysis with a magnifying lamp or magnifying glasses. Make any special notes of skin requirements on your skin analysis form. If using a steamer, we recommend you would place a barrier product on the lips. Keeping the eye pads in place at this point, you may steam the skin gently for only 2 minutes maximum. However, this is an optional step within the procedure. We exfoliate the client's face with the invigorating face and body scrub. Gently mix the scrub in a bowl and take a small amount of water. For a slightly congested skin, blend in 1 pump of clarifying foaming cleanser to the mixture to form a cleansing whip for added cleansing exfoliation. Work onto the skin for approximately 30 seconds in a non-vigorous manner. Remove the exfoliant with tepid water, warm mitts, or damp cotton pads. If your client's skin requires any extraction, you may perform it now. If indeed you do extract, then perform a complete cleanse to the face, neck and décolleté using your Elizabeth Arden Pro Cleanser to remove any debris extracted onto the skin surface, and remove with cool compresses, not hot towel. Blot dry the skin with a large tissue to the entire face and neck. When the skin is dry, brush downwards over the face with a clean, dry, Perfecting Minerals powder brush to ensure you have completely removed all traces of scrub from the surface of the skin. You can feel over the client's face with the back of your hand. The brush removes all of the particles, and this is a great tip prior to massage, as no one likes to feel particles of scrub during their facial massage. For the massage, I recommend you take a walnut size amount of replenishing mask and warm it in your hands before applying to your client's face and neck. We will use this to perform the Elizabeth Arden Pro Relax and Firm facial massage. During this massage, use quite a firm, slow and upward movement to really help induce relaxation, as well as assist the tone of the facial contours. Really visualize the shape of the muscles you're going to be working on. First, with your full hand, start with firm, deep, sweeping movements up the side of the neck, but avoiding the central area of the neck. Continue the same deep, slow movements and split your fingers so that you follow the jawline out to the ears. Return your fingers back to the central part of the chin and draw the fingers out slowly. Repeat this move about 6 to 8 times. Then continue onto the top lip, splitting your fingers above and below the lips. Again, 6 to 8 times, contouring your fingers under the cheekbones as you come outwards towards the ear. Now, smoothly continue up to the apples of the cheek, really slow and contouring as you work. Once you leave the cheeks, move effortlessly onto the forehead with deep, very slow movements, Overall, this should be all approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Now you're going to go to the other side of the neck and repeat this whole massage on the other side of the face. Up the neck, along the jawline, split the lips, the apples of the cheeks, and up back to the forehead. Always using deep, slow, upward movements. If you have a client with quite red cheeks or congested skin, please adapt your massage pressure to quite light. Now we're going to perform a pressure point massage to help release built-up facial tension. To perform the pressure point, maintain good skin contact and rotate fingers in a clockwise motion. First, apply gentle pressure on the point outside of the outer nostrils. Repeat 6 times. Next, find the apple of the cheeks and press your middle finger here. Hold and release this pressure point using clockwise motion 6 times. A great acupressure point, also helpful for assisting sinus conditions, lies between the nose and the eyes. Press your finger or thumb under the inner arch of the eyebrow and find a ridge. Then, pump and slide your thumb and finger along the eyebrow ridge and repeat this 6 times. Once you're done, sweep your fingers to the outer corner of the eyes for the next movement. With both your ring and middle finger, slowly pull away towards the client's hairline. The client's eyes should be closed or closing as you pull towards the hairline. Use a constant firm pressure and release at the hairline and go back to the corner of the eye. Repeat this full move 3 times. Next, continue to use very soft knuckling to massage over the temple and the fullness of the forehead. Start from the center of the forehead and radiate out across the temples and go backwards and forwards, ensuring you have a very soft wrist too, so that you gently massage the whole of the forehead area. This massage helps to relieve stress and headaches. Perform a very small amount of knuckling between the eyebrows to finish. Now, rest your 2 index fingers in the center of the eyebrows. With a constant and firm pressure, sweep upwards into the hairline in a horizontal line. Repeat this whole move 3 times. Next, make a gentle cup with your hands over the client's eye socket and just lightly sweep your fingertips down and across the cheeks. Repeat this move 3 times. Now you will ask your client to take a deep breath in, and as they exhale, turn the head to one side. Stand so that you're facing your client and place both your hands on the jawline, fingers facing center. Draw your fingertips along the jawline out to the ear, and when you get to the ear, split one hand down the neck and stretch the neck. The top hand comes just to rest on the forehead. A good way to explain is to drain towards the ear, split your hands, break friends, and press away. Repeat this twice, then ask your client to take an inhale. On the exhale, turn the head in the other direction and repeat this whole move on the other side, remembering to move your body to face the other side of your client, as this makes the move so much easier to do. Finally, to complete this massage, hold the middle of the earlobes and stretch outward with your thumb 4 times. Then hold the lower earlobe, massage downwards lightly again for 4 times. Then the upper ears and massage upward 4 times. This is an ancient Indian yoga technique that brings circulation to the face. Come off the face and glide gently the fingers through the hair. Now we're going to apply another walnut-sized amount of replenishing mask to the face and neck. Use your hands to warm the product and smooth across the client's face. You can have this warmed by placing it on the top of a towel warmer, but just consider that this is an extension of the massage you just performed, so keep that relaxed state. Cover your client's eyes with cotton pads and then the eye pillow, as always with confident contact. I will leave this on for 10 minutes during the time I will perform a shoulder and décolleté massage, as well as a scalp massage, and also you will complete the hand treatment. Perform the shoulder massage with revitalizing body lotion. Again, you might want to warm this in the towel warmer so that it melts into your client's skin. Perform a freestyle massage of the shoulders and then rest your hands on the sternum, ready to take you to the scalp massage. Always perform the scalp massage very slowly with a good firm pressure. A light scalp massage does not feel relaxing, it's more of a tickle. Apply the pressure at the sternum. Move to the axillary area and apply gentle pressure. Then slide your hands behind the clavicle and apply gentle pressure. Now move up to hold the back of the head and apply firm pressure with your fingertips to the occipital area, holding for 3 seconds, then move on to the scalp. Rotate your palms all over the head to release tension slowly. Gently turn the head to one side and with shampoo-like movements, work through the side and the crown of the scalp. Use deep, slow movements with the pads of your fingers. You can also scissor massage each side of the ears with split fingers. Turn the head smoothly to the other side and repeat these movements on the other side of the head. Gently turn the head back to center. Starting with both thumbs at the middle of the scalp, follow hairline by pressing 6 times down the top of the ears. Place 1 at a time in the starting position and repeat 2 more times, moving slightly back each time, almost as if there are 3 headbands on your client's head. Glide off the hairline by firmly coming behind the ears while maintaining contact, and move your body to the side of the treatment bed facing your client. Firmly run your hands with full palm contact through their hair approximately 6 times. Finish by turning back to the top of the bed and drawing the hands and fingers out of the hair slowly. During the remaining mask time, return to the client's hands and remove from the warm mitts. Now perform a cleanse to the hands with a cleanser, again in tandem at the same time. Remove the cleanser with the mitts or dampened cotton pads and blot dry with a towel. Now select the peel pads that are most suitable for the skin on the back of your client's hands and forearms. Please note this product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, or an AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Therefore, please use sunscreen or wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this product, and also for a week afterwards. Use 2 peel pads and wipe over the back of the hands and forearms at the same time for an instant beauty flash hand peel and allow the skin to dry. Now take your revitalizing body lotion and carry out a hand and arm massage to each hand and arm, finishing this deluxe hand treatment with the application of a triple action protector to each hand and lower arm. Okay, so returning to the face, place confident contact on the eye pillow and remove from your client's eyes. Checking your client's skin, remove any residue of replenishing mask by performing a facial cleanse or using dampened pads, depending on what might be left on the surface. With a drier skin, most of the mask may have been absorbed. However, a facial cleanse can be recommended. This next stage will be optional depending on your client and the client's skin. Take 1 peel pad chosen to the skin condition needs. You do not need to use more than 1 peel pad. Gently wipe the pad over the entire face and neck using both sides of the pad. The client will experience a stinging or tingling sensation as this is applied. Ensure not to overlap the area, but use a smooth, even wipe instead and allow the product to completely dry on the surface of the skin. Now I'm going to complete the treatment by applying 1 to 2 pumps of cellular recovery serum over the entire area. This will soothe and encourage a nice calm feeling to the skin. Now apply only 1 pump of smoothing eye serum around the eyes. The 1 pump is the size of a garden pea, and this is all that's needed for both eyes. Use our signature piano finger movements around the eye area and knuckling the frown between your eyebrows. Now use 1 pump of your chosen corrector serum over the entire area. Finish with 1 to 2 pumps of triple action protector to the entire area. Make sure that you have not missed any area. Start with pressing it into the skin, then blend away evenly into the face and neck. Now we're ready for an application of Perfecting Minerals for topical skin protection. Since I already chose the shade during the cleansing stage, I'm now able to use the perfect colour match for my client. Perfecting Minerals comes in a choice of 5 shades, followed by our finishing touch. Offer your client a glass of water or herbal tea refreshment. And it's very important to give your client home care advice. Complete the skincare program form so that your client can use the correct products at home between visits to you. Thank you so much for tuning into our coaching video for the luxury skin health treatment. We hope that your clients enjoy their skin results and see you next time.